Hey guys, it's Mikkel. Today I'm going to play again Pixel Car Racer. So today in Pixel Car Racer, we're going to be opening 50 crates. But before we open our 50 crates, let's look at our daily reward. 3 spins. Okay, let's do these 3 spins and try to get more money. I have so much money now. $50,000, that's really good. No, there's no chance for that. I win another 50 grand. So now we have $1,076,000. We're going to be opening 50 crates today. We got $5,000. We got a gold fade wrap. Pride comfort seats. Surfboard. Teal Steelies. Watanabe Silvers. HR Street. Rakima plus Charmeleon bike. USA Racing. Blue Chromes. A 360 wing. I've seen these. I tried to sell these. They're pretty much worthless. Rusty Spoon. An engine. A Honda engine. The SR20. The Drag Steelies. The Forge Deep. I don't like that star design, but leave in the comments what kind of design do you like with this. What kind of design would you like with this fair ladies here? So we got USA Racing, Kawaii Deep, and Hooker. For the rest of these, I'll just be quiet because I don't want to wake up my parents. We got a carbon fiber wrap, as in the slab calls it, carbon fiber. Okay, we opened our 50 crates. Let's see what I got. Okay, let's see. We got so many different wraps. Let's see how much the gold Fidos. It's 102 grand. Selling the rest soon. Hyper Circuit, carbon fiber, street style. Okay, let's see at accessories. We got the surfboard, Arkema surfboard, and the hooker. We didn't get anything for nitrous. We already checked. And then we got the GTA wing, and then we also got the 360. Actually, it sells for a lot. And then the FG 500 wing. Did you get anything for intercoolers? I know we got the SR20 engine. We also got the Flow Burn R. I know we got some Trembo Monsters. And I also know we got some VX bags. Let's see if we got anything else. We also got these burn slicks. Nothing here. Nothing here. Let's just look at rims. Just the whole value I got from the rims. Let's see how much. 204 grand selling that. 80 grand. Selling these. Selling these. Selling these. Selling these. Oh shoot, it's okay, I'll just keep these. Okay, got $3 million. Now let's put back the really nice rims on the Challenger. Okay, let's see if now we can build a new car. I highly doubt it. I'll need about 5 million to get it. Okay, let's see. Keep opening crates. Ooh. I don't think I think Mobizen can record more videos of me opening crates. So let's just try racing one of my cars. Let's try racing the Challenger. No, you've seen that. Let's drive the WRX STI. It's been LS swap, so it sounds a lot weirder than it usually is. Also, this video will teach you. Oops, there's an ad, sorry. Also, in this video, I will be teaching you how to heat up the tires in an all-wheel drive vehicle. What I do is I put in neutral and I hold the brake and the brake and the clutch pedal together. Oh shit, sorry. God, this is hard. Yeah, I think I know how to do it now. Okay, sorry. One last attempt. Okay, first put it in neutral, heat up the tires until they're really hot. Okay, hold down the the brake and the clutch pedal. See, did you see how fast my launch was in that race? I got a 791. Really fast. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and this is Miguel signing out.